The Hyundai Palisade key fob, used from 2019 onwards and updated in 2023, is opened by first locating the small release button on the side or back of the fob. Press this button firmly to separate the two halves of the case without needing any tools. For fobs with a split case design, gently pry the seams apart using a flat screwdriver or a specialized key fob tool. Avoid using metal picks to prevent scratches on the plastic. With the key fob open, locate the CR232 lithium-ion coin battery inside. Note the polarity of the old battery before removing it. The positive side usually has a plus symbol. Remove the old battery and insert the new CR232 battery in the correct orientation, matching the polarity markings. Snap the case back together securely to ensure a proper seal. Hold the lock and unlock buttons for 5 to 10 seconds to resync the fob with the vehicle. Use high-quality, non-rechargeable lithium batteries to avoid short circuits. Perform annual inspections for wear and use dielectric grease during reassembly to prevent corrosion. Store the fob away from extreme temperatures and moisture.